She made a wrong turn. Okay, welcome back, sports fans. Oh, sorry, wrong channel. Sorry. Anyway, as you know, Paula's up here for the weekend, so we're going to butcher, dice, and blitz hacker her van for her. So come with me and I'm going to show you a couple things we're going to do. What we're basically going to do is move her bed to the back, get rid of this bin here, and that way she got access to her solar all the time, and she got access to this bin, which she doesn't have right now. So that's the first thing. And then the next thing is we're putting in propane. We're going to hook up the propane stove. We're going to hook up we're going to get her a little buddy, because we figure that's the best system for her right now, because she will get a propane heater or a little parking heater later, a diesel fired heater. We'll get that later. We're not worried about it because she's not living in this thing day and night, so it's not a big deal. But other than that, the thing is pretty good, really. For somebody who doesn't know what the hell she's doing, she did an awesome job on it. I'm very impressed with it. So we're going to do that. We're going to fix the cupboards up, and that's today's work. So we'll leave that with you, and we'll get back to you when we get into real meaty stuff. Like we already flipped the bench covers over, and we're going to cut this bin out. So stay tuned, folks. It's going to be a fun ride. See, she made the wrong turn. Not so it's attached with anything. That's a piece of tin. Okay, so what we did here was these covers on the bed, on the seat, were the other way. So we took them off, and we'll put this seat right here and this seat right here. Now the reason for that is we're going with a 45-inch bed. She thinks she needs a bigger bed, so we're going to put a 45-inch bed by 67 inches. So that'll be like basically a twin, I think it is. But anyway, so and we're bringing it 16 inches off the ground. So we're not going to put plywood here, but we'll put plywood so that it's level with this metal, and then we'll put it right over to there, and we'll attach it to that frame, and then the hole underneath will be empty now. So we're going to put her fridge over here and mount it in such a way that she can get at it and then plug it in, so that it will be on a very short cord. So that's looking. We're going to cut this cupboard right out. So what we're going to do is take our hacksaw, and we're going to cut that cabinet right out. And she doesn't figure she needs it, so we'll just cut it right out. So that's where we'll leave you. So now we got the corner cut out. What we're going to do is measure, put a line, and zing right down the line. Now I'll show you something that nobody will show you. So we'll measure this and we'll cut it. Okay. We're in a very short time limit, so we have to do this very fast. So the saw will take probably 15 minutes, but we'll get Mr. Skill Saw here, and it'll cut that. Yes, it will do it. That's all they use for cutting aluminum is a skill saw. So this is how we do her. Is this where you want the shower? Okay, so you can see now we got the cupboard doors on, and we cut this down so the plywood's going to sit right in here and go right up to the door and right around and right over to here and right in. And now she's got a cubby hole now. We'll attach the bed to here, and we're going to put a couple supports in the center, and it'll be just as good as gold. The fridge is here. She doesn't know what she's going to do with all her room now, but she'll figure it out, I'm sure. Okay, this is Paula's ambulance. It's a Deemer, so I'm not sure if all of them are the same. But anyway, see, what was the problem was that she couldn't get in the door, right? Now, this is if you got a remote lock, all they do is they put a plunger on here, and that's the remote lock. That's hooked up to the remote start and all that. That's the unlock button. So this comes down and it locks the door. But see, in there, the little lever's broken. The top lever's broken, so it can't open the door, even if you try, right? So that's why. So what we're going to do for safety, because I'm really high on nomad women on the road single. So what we're going to do is take the one out of the back door and seal the back door up so you can only open it from the inside. It's just a safety factor. And put that lock in here, and then she'll be able to get in here. So that's what we're going to do. And then what we're going to do is we're going to put a little door in here. We're going to cut a little door and put it over that so you don't have to pull the whole damn door apart to get that out. Okay, so that's what we're going to do. We'll put an access door here so you don't have to do all that. Now, if you look at these latches, they got little panic locks. They've got bars on them, right? Little knobs. And you put it down and then you just open it up, right? Like that. So what we're going to do is put extensions on there so that you can grab onto them, right? That's what we're going to do to them. So we'll fix this door because you got to have this door. She's crawling over the seat right now, and that's just not the answer. So we're going to fix this door. So we'll take the lock out of the back door, put it in the front door. And like I always say, Bob's your uncle. You know, I always wonder why people drive 10 hours or something to find out, to get something fixed. This will show you why. Show him the door, Paula. Show him the door.
Oh, it opens.
Lock it on the inside and shut the door. It's locked. And you take your key.
I know. I'm so excited.
And it opens.
Oh! I am so happy.
And that's why people drive 10 hours.